Well, there are several parallel systems that operate simultaneously. Some people would say that the federal system is the highest system. That's in some ways true, but the federal system generally deals with larger disputes, larger civil disputes where a lot of money is at stake, or very serious federal crimes. The state system is much larger and handles many, many more cases per year. And the state system is the system that most people will come into contact with. Even more people will come into contact with the local system, the municipal courts, small claims courts, traffic courts, family courts. It can be somewhat confusing, but there are a number of courts that are operating at the same time. And then within any particular system, for instance, within the federal system, there is a hierarchy of courts. There's the district court, which is where the trials occur. If someone doesn't like the verdict there, there's a court of appeals that the case can be appealed to. And then there's, of course, the United States Supreme Court, which is the highest court of the land. And there's a similar system of levels of courts in the state system and in the local courts as well. Once you're in one system, you stay in that system until you've exhausted that system. You don't jump between the state and the federal courts, with very, very few exceptions. There would be an exception in a criminal case on occasion. If you've gone to the highest court of your state court, again, this would apply to very few people because it would involve a very serious crime. Then, on occasion, you could go to the federal system. But as a general rule, you work your way up in the system that you're in. However, fewer than 5% of all cases get from the bottom level to the top level. It's very, very few. You can think of it as a pyramid. The lowest court handles a large number of disputes, and then a few come up to the next level, and then fewer still come up to the highest level. Most people resolve it at the lower level.